Hey guys, it's Kayla from Killing It with Coupons. Here's my Walgreens haul for you guys this week. So I had planned out a much better scenario than what I wound up coming out of Walgreens with. The items that I picked up, basically I just kind of picked them up to roll my register rewards onto balance rewards points, because that was kind of my whole scenario I worked out. Was I was only going to have like a little bit in register awards, whereas I started with a ton in register awards and was going to roll them all into balance points, because that way they're not going to be expiring quite as fast. So yeah, it didn't happen the way I wanted it to. Unfortunately, I kind of forgot it was daylight savings and got to the store a little bit later, and my store was like almost completely cleared out. So anyway, the total retail cost of everything I bought though would have been $27.62. I paid $3 plus $1.32 in tax and saved $23.30. I used $7 in register rewards and got back $6 in balance rewards points. So my net cost for everything was just $4, which again is not awful for the items that I picked up. I did it in 2 transactions, but afterwards I realized I really only needed to do 1 transaction. But I'll share with you guys the deals I did and then how I wanted to have my scenario work out. So if you guys want to do this, you guys could do it and it would work out as long as your store is in stock, and unlike mine. So anyway, starting off with the Suave deal this week. The Select Suave shampoos and conditioners. These ones are the infusion. They're normally $4.49. They're on sale for $3, and so I bought 2 in each transaction, so that was $6. And then I used a $3 off 2 coupon from the 3-8 Red Plum, paid $3 and got back 2,000 balance rewards points for spending $6. So it was $1 for 2 or 50 cents each, which again, not a bad price for shampoo and conditioner. And then the deal with the gum was, if you guys can tell, I picked up 6, so I did 3 in 1 transaction along with 2 of the shampoos. So the deal with the gum is they're normally $1.39, however they're on sale $2 for 3. You pay the $2 and get back 1,000 balance rewards points when you buy 3, so it's $1 for 3 or 33 cents a piece, which again, not an awful price for gum. And I actually used them as my fillers anyway, because I was using 2 different register rewards, so it worked out pretty nicely. So I'll show you guys my receipt just for 1 transaction because they were both identical. So basically you guys can see there the Suave, which is $3 each, and then the Trident, which was all 67 cents and 66 cents. I used a $3 Suave coupon and then a $1.50 and a $2 register reward. I earned back the 1,000 balance points on the gum and the 2,000 balance points on the Suave. My subtotal was $1.50. After tax, I paid $2.16 and saved $11.65. And you guys can see there, I ended with 3,000 balance points. And I have a total of 43,220 balance rewards points. So that's like the equivalent to like $40 kind of, or $50 maybe. So anyway, that's what I wound up doing. Now here is my scenario on how I wanted to do it. So what they were out of, they didn't have any more of the Irish Spring Gear deodorants, which is pretty obvious because it was the only freebie this week. And they were also, the other thing I was going to do is with the Old Spice bar soap, and they only had 3 of those, and I needed 4 in order to do the 2 transactions. So I could have possibly worked it out to do 1 transaction the way I had set it up, but my whole point again was to roll my register rewards onto balance points that weren't going to be expiring as soon. So basically how it would have worked out is the Irish Spring, $7 for 2, so you buy 2 of those. Then the gum, which again I would buy 3 of those, which was $2, and then buy 4 of the Suave, which is $12, plus also the soft soap, which is $3.49 for the soft soap. That is the body wash. And then the Old Spice bar soap is $4.99, but it's on sale, buy one get one 50% off. So for 2 of them, it'll be $7.48. So subtotal would be $31.97. Then you're going to use the point booster, which is 30. You get back 5,000 balance rewards points when you spend 30. Then the coupons you're going to want to use is the $4 off Irish Spring coupon. Again, that's 2 of the $2 off Irish Spring coupons, so it's $4 in total. And then 2 of the $3 off 2 Suave coupons, because you're buying 4 of the Suave in total. And then a 75 cent off soft soap coupon. and 2 of the $2 off Old Spice bar soap coupons. So that's $14.75 in total. So you wind up paying $17.22. But I was going to use my $1.50 register award, $2 register award, and a $10 register award from last week. So it would be $13.50 in total I'd be using. I'd pay $3.72 and get back the 5,000 balance rewards points for spending $30, the $3 register award on the Irish Spring, the $1 balance rewards points back on the gum, the $4 balance rewards points back on buying 4 swabs. So that's what's it called? That's $2 for each, if you guys understand what I'm saying. And then also the $1.50 on the soft soap. So I get back a total of $14.50, making my net cost $2.72. And like I said, I would repeat that transaction twice. So I would have wound up paying about $7, $8 with tax, which again, not an awful deal. For, you know, like I said, the way I had everything worked out. Again, they're out of the Irish Spring at my store. The other thing I was going to plan on doing, because I kind of had the feeling that the Irish Spring was going to be out, was do the Old Spice body spray. It's kind of the same as a bar soap. So I was going to do 2 bar soaps and 2 body sprays. They would have been they were like 5 something at my store, 5 like 16 or something, I don't know. But again, they were on sale, buy one get one 50% off, plus there was also $2 off 1 coupons. So I would have stacked those together and would have worked them out. Of course, I would have gotten back less, and my net cost would have probably been a lot more off, like more like $5 or something like that. So to me, it just really wasn't worth it. And anyways, they didn't have enough of the bar soap on the Old Spice. So I'll try and post this scenario on my blog as well if you guys want to find out all of the exact coupons and what coupon insert they came from and everything like that. But that's it for me for Walgreens this week. If you guys have a haul from any stores, I'd love to read to you, hear about them via video, picture, comment. You guys can also find these deals and more posts on my blog, KillingItWithCoupons.com. You guys can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Pinterest, Instagram, and Tumblr. I'll post links to all of those in the description below. Also, you guys, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye, guys. If you guys want to find other really fun videos, don't forget to subscribe to NizzyNet. Also, you guys can subscribe to our daily vlogs right here. And finally, if you guys enjoy the content